Comet 3I/Atlas is an intriguing and unique object in our solar system. Discovered on July 1, 2025 by the ATLAS Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System Survey Telescope in Rio Hurtado, Chile, it is an interstellar comet, which means it hails from outside our solar system. This is what makes 3I/Atlas so exceptional, as the vast majority of comets we observe originate within our solar system, having been formed from the primordial materials left over after the Sun's formation. In contrast, 3I/Atlas has traveled from a distant star system deep in the interstellar void, on a journey that has brought it across the vast expanse of space to our cosmic neighborhood. The comet's passage through our solar system has captivated astronomers around the world. This is not just any comet. It represents a first for humanity in observing an object from beyond the confines of our Sun's influence. Scientists have been eager to study 3I/Atlas to understand more about the objects that might inhabit other star systems, and perhaps even to learn more about the early stages of solar system formation in distant worlds. Through high-resolution images taken by some of the most powerful telescopes on Earth and in space, including the Very Large Telescope, Gemini North, Sphere-X, Hubble Space Telescope, and even the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers have had the opportunity to analyze the comet's structure, composition, and trajectory in remarkable detail. One of the first notable findings is the detection of water ice and carbon dioxide, CO2, on the comet. These compounds are often considered key components of the building blocks of life, so their presence raises interesting questions about the role comets might play in the chemistry of life. The discovery of these elements in a comet that is not native to our solar system opens the door to new avenues of research about the chemical evolution of comets, and how similar bodies in other star systems may contribute to the conditions necessary for life. In addition to its composition, scientists have been able to gain insight into the age and history of the comet. There is growing evidence that 3I/Atlas may be one of the oldest comets ever observed, perhaps even the oldest comet that humankind has ever studied. This makes its passage through our solar system even more intriguing, as it provides a unique opportunity to examine a preserved relic from the early stages of the universe, potentially offering clues about the processes that took place billions of years ago during the formation of the first stars and planets. Through ongoing observations, astronomers have been able to calculate 3I/Atlas's orbit with surprising precision. Despite originating from a distant part of the galaxy, the comet's trajectory through the solar system has been well understood since its discovery. This is an important factor, as the more accurately we can predict the movement of celestial bodies, the better equipped we are to assess any potential risks. With 3I/Atlas's orbit mapped, scientists can confidently say that it will not collide with any of the planets, including Earth, Mars, or even Jupiter. While comets are often associated with dramatic events, including near misses with planets or even potential impacts, the data gathered so far suggests that 3I/Atlas will pass through the solar system without posing any threat to life on Earth or elsewhere. However, its path is still quite extraordinary. After its discovery, the comet's trajectory was carefully analyzed to predict its closest approaches to various planets, including Earth and Mars. As it travels inward toward the Sun, the comet will first pass close to Mars. This closest approach will occur on October 3, 2025, when 3I/Atlas will come within just 28 million kilometers, about 18 million miles, of the red planet. For perspective, this is roughly one-fifth the distance between Earth and the Sun, a very close flyby on a cosmic scale. While this distance may seem alarmingly close, it is still well beyond the gravitational reach of Mars, meaning there is no danger of the comet impacting the planet. Mars, like Earth, will simply witness a rare visitor from deep space. After its close encounter with Mars, the comet will continue its journey inward toward the Sun, where it will make its closest approach on October 30, 2025. At this point, it will pass within 210 million kilometers, 130 million miles, of the Sun, situated between Mars's orbit and the Sun itself. As it moves along its path, the comet will be traveling at an incredible speed of about 25,000 kilometers, 15,500 miles per hour. While this might sound fast, it is worth noting that comets are often the fastest-moving objects in our solar system. The speed and trajectory of 3I/Atlas make its passage through the inner solar system a thrilling event for astronomers. Once it reaches its closest point to the Sun, 3I/Atlas will begin its journey out of the solar system. The comet's passage through the solar system is a one-time event. It is not in orbit around the Sun like most of the comets we observe. Instead, 3I/Atlas is simply passing through the solar system, and after it leaves, it will continue its journey back into the interstellar space from which it came. This means that once it has passed through, it will likely never return to our solar system, making its visit a fleeting but scientifically invaluable event. As 3I/Atlas makes its closest approach to Earth on December 19, 2025, it will be a truly rare opportunity to study an interstellar object in detail. The distance between Earth and 3I/Atlas at that time is estimated to be around 270 million kilometers, 170 million miles, or about 1.8 astronomical units EU, where $1 is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. While this is relatively close on a cosmic scale, it is still far enough to ensure that there is no threat of collision. The comet's close pass will provide scientists with the opportunity to observe its behavior as it is influenced by the Sun's gravity, its outgassing, and any changes to its composition due to its proximity to the Sun. Despite its status as an interstellar visitor, there is no risk of 3I/Atlas impacting Earth, Mars, or any other planet. The comet's orbit has been calculated with remarkable accuracy, and as such, astronomers have confidently predicted its path with a high degree of certainty. As with other recent cosmic objects, such as asteroid 2024 YR4, astronomers have closely monitored the trajectory of 3I/Atlas, updating their calculations with each new observation. These updated predictions ensure that the likelihood of an impact becomes even more improbable over time. With every passing day, the chances of a collision are effectively eliminated. While the comet's approach poses no danger to Earth, its passage through the solar system offers a profound opportunity for scientific discovery. The study of 3I/Atlas will allow astronomers to better understand the makeup of interstellar objects and the processes that shape them. As we continue to probe the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond, the data collected from objects like 3I/Atlas could reveal new insights into the fundamental building blocks of the universe, the nature of other star systems, and the potential for life beyond our planet. In conclusion, while the idea of an interstellar comet passing so close to Earth and other planets may seem daunting, the truth is that the comet 3I/Atlas poses no threat to our planet. Its trajectory has been carefully calculated, and its passage through the solar system is an extraordinary opportunity for scientists to learn more about the composition, behavior, and history of celestial objects from beyond our solar system. As it makes its way through our cosmic neighborhood, 3I/Atlas will continue to captivate the imaginations of astronomers and the public alike, reminding us of the vastness and mystery of the universe.